I'm Rodney. And I'm Jake. Today, we're putting a metal roof on our greenhouse, finally. Bump, 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 bump.
Is that Disney Channel?
I always do that. I can't get it out of my head. Are you kick it off?
Hey guys, I'm Rodney.
And I'm Jake, and today we're finally putting the metal roof on our chicken coop. Wow.
Am I good?
Yeah.
Okay, then come back down.
Woo, that is hot. I just so happen to have a hole in my glove right there. Well, that's way easier than the 10 snips.
And I need this end to be down. So, yep, rotate it and then put that up here. And on this side, I need this to be pretty...
It looks pretty even all the way down.
Okay. Times 6 is how many?
26? 36. 36. 36 per sheet?
No.
What was the math?
All right, next one. And it's gonna, some of those aren't the same way, like that one's not the same way, so you have to flip that one.
How the fuck do you know?
Good.
Perfect. Do 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 do. Okay, I think I'm starting to understand.
What?
I think I'm starting to understand the difference. Like which side is which that you're wanting.
Well, it just needs to be the same pattern since I just wanted the edge to start down so the water drips off that edge.
Hot?
Very hot.
Lips getting a little short on this side. I don't know if that makes a difference or not.
Let me do the two at the bottom real quick. Fucker.
You ready?
No.
Oh. You stopped, so.
Okay.
Corn's coming in.
Good up there?
Yep.
roof is spicy hot.
Yeah, is that gonna just make it even hotter? Oh, we have a strawberry. Next.
And then once you pass this one up, do you want to grab the other ladder and put it on the back side here? Because I think the last one we're gonna have to do from the ladders.
Sure. Anything for you, babe.
Do you have 2 pieces left, actually?
Yeah, there's one piece down there still.
Huh?
This one and then the one there.
Oh, okay.
And then get the 6.
Are you lined up on that side?
What?
Is it lined up on that side?
There you go.
It's all good.
Yep.
What?
Just hit my elbow. I hate this time of year when everything goes from being lush and it's like, oh my God, it's so easy to grow things, to everything is dying. It's too hot.
No, that's the side that's on your face is bottom. So what side's the cut side?
That side.
All right, then bring that to me. That's definitely not the cut side, is it? No, that's the cut side. Bring that to me.
Right, that's what I'm doing. You're confusing me.
What'd you say?
Says pretty snug. I don't know if that's what you're having me check or what, but.
No, you're about to put the screws. You ready?
Nope.
So first on the first overlap. Hold on, move the screw gun and stuff real quick, so there's no weight on this board. That one always fucks up because it's the 2 sheets, so you just kind of yank it out. And then you're gonna go on the very last one.
Just do it right there. Because the 2x6 stops back here.
Okay,
so.
yeah, they can just go right there, yep. And you know what, we're gonna have to do one more in here.
Ow!
So do yours and then I'll put one in up here.
It just poked my
Actually,
finger.
that's not true. That's not true, don't do that. Let me have that. There you go. Finally, she's got a roof. Oh, I don't like that though.
What?
I don't like that though. It's gonna catch leaves and shit.
Just for the record, that ladder was perfectly tall enough.
What'd you say?
I said I love you so much. Blech. Okay, we did it. Now I gotta do like 5 more things this weekend. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified of our next video. Thank you to our members. Bye.